Western Union money transfer is the most reliable way to send money globally. But those fees can sting. Stick around because we're revealing 5 types of money transfer charges and expert tricks to drastically cut your costs. Charge 1. The upfront transfer fee. This is the most obvious. It varies hugely based on amount, destination, and payment method. Trick 1. Always check the send money online option versus an agent location. Online transfers often have significantly lower transaction fees. Use their mobile app for the best rates. Charge 2. The currency exchange rate. This is where hidden fees live. Western Union sets its own exchange rate, which is typically worse than the mid-market rate, effectively taking a cut. Trick 2. Always compare the rate they offer with the actual mid-market rate. For large amounts, choosing a slower transfer speed often gives you a better exchange rate. This is the ultimate exchange rate trick. Charge 3. The payout method fee. Receiving money in cash at an agent location can cost more than direct-to-bank account or mobile wallet transfers. Trick 3. Opt for bank account deposits if time permits. It minimizes payout fee charges. Charge 4. Third-party charges. Sometimes your bank or the recipient's bank charges a fee for receiving the funds. This is a common hidden fee. Trick 4. Communicate with the recipient about their bank's policy to avoid surprise money transfer charges. Charge 5. Speed surcharge. Faster transfers mean higher charges. The convenience of instant money comes at a premium. Trick 5. Plan ahead. Choosing the 3 to 5 day option can save you substantial Western Union fees compared to the money in minutes service. Remember these tricks and reduce Western Union money transfer charges on your next transaction.